Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, available on Visible. This fan edition packs plenty of flagship-level features without the flagship price tag. Let's break it down. If you want solid performance, long updates, and strong cameras for less than the Galaxy S25 or Galaxy S25 Plus, this could be your best option. Specs overview. The Galaxy S25 FE gives you a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Exynos 2400 chip built on a 4nm process. You get 8 GB of RAM and either 128 or 256 GB of storage. On the back, a triple camera system. That's 50 megapixels main with optical image stabilization, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and 8 megapixels telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. The front camera has 12 megapixels for selfies. Battery life comes from a 4,900 mAh cell with wired fast charging up to 45 watts, plus wireless charging support. The phone is slim at just 7.4 millimeters, weighs about 190 grams, and is rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. It ships with One UI 8 based on Android 16, with Samsung promising 7 years of software and security updates. What's new? Compared to older Fan Edition models, you now get a higher resolution, 12 megapixels front camera, bigger battery and faster wired charging, slimmer bezels with a sleeker design, Galaxy AI features like advanced editing and smart assistant tools. Pricing starts at $649.99 for the 128 GB model. Visible offers it at that price for a one-time payment. The 256 GB option costs more depending on retailer. Financing is also available through Samsung directly. Pros: great value with flagship-like features, long software support for 7 years, improved cameras and faster charging, durable design with IP68 rating. Cons: Exynos chip may not perform as well as Snapdragon in some regions. Display is Full HD Plus, not Quad HD. Wireless charging is slower than premium models. Who is it for? This phone is perfect if you want premium style and features without paying full flagship pricing. It's great for social media, photos, and everyday use. Skip it if you demand the absolute top specs or the fastest gaming chip. Final verdict. The Galaxy S25 FE offers a near flagship experience at a mid-range price. With solid performance, improved cameras, long updates, and durable design, it's one of the best values of 2025 Outro. Would you choose the Galaxy S25 FE over the standard Galaxy S25? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss my next video. Thanks for watching.